Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Doctor's World. In this video, I will tell you about mucopurulent conjunctivitis. It is also known as red eye, pink eye. What is mucopurulent conjunctivitis? It is an acute inflammation of the conjunctiva characterized by redness and mucopurulent discharge from the eyes. Redness and mucopurulent discharge from the eye. What is etiology? It occurs mainly due to direct contact with the infected secretions, and the most common organisms that are responsible for causing this infection are Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococci, Haemophilus influenza, Moraxella lacunata, Proteus species, and Klebsiella pneumonia. So this is about the etiology. What are the symptoms of this disease? This disease has acute onset. This disease has acute onset. The person feels like there is foreign body in his eyes. There is foreign body sensation, and the next symptom is burning and itching in the eyes. Burning and itching in the eyes. The second main symptom is on waking up after night, the eyelids are frequently glued together. Eyelids are frequently glued together. Due to release of mucopurulent discharge from the eyes. Due to this mucopurulent discharge. And therefore it is difficult to open the eyes in the morning. Difficult to open the eyes. Now we come to the signs. These were symptoms. Now we will come to the signs of mucopurulent conjunctivitis. The signs include redness of the area of fornix as well as redness in the palpebral parts of the cornea. This occurs in the moderate form, while in case of severe form, the whole conjunctiva is hyperemic. So, hyperemia of the conjunctiva, whole conjunctiva, occurs in case of severe form. The third sign of mucopurulent conjunctivitis is discharge of the mucopurulent substance. Mucopurulent discharge from the eyes. Fourth one is eyelashes may be matted by mucopurulent discharge. And fifth one is papillary reaction is mild. Papillary reaction is mild. So these are the symptoms and signs of mucopurulent conjunctivitis. Now what is its diagnosis? Diagnosis is based on clinical examination of the eye. Diagnosis is based on the clinical examination of the eye. Laboratory diagnosis is mostly not done. Laboratory diagnosis is mostly not done. Now what is the treatment for this mucopurulent conjunctivitis? Treatment for mucopurulent conjunctivitis. The first treatment is irrigation of the conjunctiva. Irrigation of conjunctiva. What is the benefit of irrigation of conjunctiva? It removes all the discharge from the conjunctiva. It removes all discharge from the conjunctiva. The second option of treatment is lid hygiene. Lid hygiene. And what is its benefit? It clears the exudate and crust from the lid margin and eyelashes. Clears the exudate and crust from the lid margin. Third option for treatment is topical antibiotic drugs. Topical antibiotics are given. Topical antibiotics. Topical antibiotics may include chloramphenicol, ciprofloxacin, tobramycin, ofloxacin, etc. We just mention only chloramphenicol. In 60% of cases, the infection resolves by itself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.